In this video, I will show you how to convert a WAV file into MP3 format using VLC Media Player. First, open your VLC Media Player, then click on Media from the top left menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Convert Save. Once the dialog box appears, click on Add, then browse and select the WAV file you want to convert into MP3. After selecting the file, click on Convert Save at the bottom. Now choose the destination where you want to save your converted file by clicking Browse and selecting a folder and file name. Next, under the Profile section, select Audio MP3 as the output format. After that, click Start, and VLC will begin converting your file. Once the process is complete, your WAV file will be successfully converted into MP3 format. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.